Alright, so let's take a look at this sample paragraph, which answers the writing prompt, what is one disadvantage of living in Los Angeles? The first thing we want to look at is the topic sentence. The first sentence in the paragraph is the topic sentence. A major disadvantage of living in the city of Los Angeles is the lack of public transportation. That topic sentence very clearly answers the writing prompt. So that's the first thing you want to write when you start your paragraph. After the topic sentence, the writer gives an explanation of the topic sentence by giving some background information comparing Los Angeles to cities like New York, Seoul, Paris, and Tokyo, which have good transportation systems. Starting from this sentence, the writer starts giving specific facts and details about the Los Angeles public transportation system and what makes it inefficient and very limited. The writer mentions that there are only a few light rail lines and a couple of subway lines. Then the writer specifically explains a little bit of details about the light rail lines and how inefficient they are. So this part right here is all about the light rail lines. Starting from this point, in addition, the writer starts discussing the subway lines. And actually, this discussion of the subway lines ends right here. The last sentence of the paragraph is the conclusion sentence. The writer kind of sums up the idea of this paragraph by stating that most residents know that a major disadvantage of living in Los Angeles is its inefficient public transportation system. So these are the major parts of the paragraph that you want to include in your paragraph. Again, a topic sentence, the body of the paragraph, which should be about 10 sentences, and then you have the concluding sentence, which is always one sentence. One additional thing that you want to remember, you always want to include transitional words such as however, in addition. You can also add other transitional words depending on what you write about, such as additionally, for example, therefore, etc.